Welcome to Mindfulete. This affirmation session is built for those who compete under pressure. To steady your system, sharpen your confidence, and rebuild the way you respond when the moment rises. If this supports you today, hit like and subscribe for more athlete-built mental training by Mindfulete. Settle into your stance. Let your shoulders fall. And when you're ready, close your eyes. Say these affirmations quietly to yourself or in your mind. I can breathe here. Pressure doesn't push me out of myself. I lower my breath and I settle. The moment rises and I stay steady. My mind doesn't speed up. My body doesn't tighten. I meet pressure with control. This is familiar ground. I've been here before. I know how to breathe here. Inhale low. Exhale long. Pressure sharpens me. It doesn't shake me. I trust my training. I trust my instincts. I trust my presence in the moment. Eyes clear. Breath steady. Body ready. I don't freeze under pressure. I focus. This is where I come alive. Mistake, breath, reset. That's my pattern now. I don't spiral. I don't tense. I respond. One slow inhale brings me back to the present. One long exhale clears the noise. I see what's in front of me, nothing else. I bounce back fast. My recovery is my advantage. Pressure doesn't control me. I control my response. I'm ready for the moment that comes next. I move with precision. My decisions stay sharp. My body stays loose. My mind stays clear. I play the moment, not the noise around it. I welcome pressure. It brings out my best. I compete with calm intensity. I stay unshakable. Deepen your breath. Feel your body coming back online. Feel the air. Feel the room. Feel the steadiness you've built. Take one last intentional inhale. And a long, controlled exhale. When you're ready, open your eyes. Say quietly to yourself, under pressure, I stay precise, present, and unshakable. If these affirmations strengthened your mental game, like the video and subscribe to Mindfulete for more athlete-built meditations.